Before watching this video, subscribe to Women's Web and hit the bell icon.
Hello everyone and welcome back to today's episode of Women's Web, that is Career Ki Paathshala.
A skill like data science, you can work remotely as part of a team, you can work your own hours, and also be paid phenomenally well. तो वो जो financial independence ना, जो I feel like we need to get as a gender.
In this very episode, I am going to talk about such an unconventional and offbeat career option, that is being a data scientist. So elaboratively, I'm going to explain you who is a data scientist, what education is required to be a data scientist, what are the prospects and the pay scale, etc, etc, etc. So you're going to have the whole information about being a data scientist in this particular episode. Before we move ahead, I have a small question for you. Who was the first and the most famous and the earliest data scientist? Okay, fine, I'll give you a small hint for that. She carried around a lamp with her. Exactly. Sahi guess kiya. It's Florence Nightingale. Now you are going to tell me that she wasn't a data scientist. She was the one who discovered modern nursing. But you know what? Crimean War के time पर जो उन्होंने काम किया था, that was so detailed and backed up by hard data. इसे बहुत ही simple language और pie charts में explain किया गया था. Today's world is driven by data. Basically हमारे actions, emotions, thoughts, ये सारी चीजें they are all stored together and then they are converted into data, which is actually interpreted by the scientist, and then it is divided into different chunks. And then these data are used by a zillion of companies to actually provide us services and products as per the data provided to them, which actually tells them what is our needs. So this is how the whole data system works. So now the question arises, who is a data scientist? So the person who sees the problem, analyze it, break it down and come out with a great solution for that, that person is considered to be a data scientist. So the primary job of the data scientist is not to come out with a proper solution. On the contrary, the basic important thing that a data scientist is supposed to do is come out with a possible problem out there. So eventually the companies get out with great solutions for that. So now when we know what data science is and who are data scientists, now we have to understand what is the scope of being a data scientist and what is the scope of data science for that matter. Data science is basically a highly specialized field and it is actually a support system for a lots of working fields out there. So according to the World Economic Forum, by 2022, the data science is going to flourish like no other field. And also by 2026, this data science thing is going to create approximately 11.5 million job opportunities for people out there. So now we know it. By being a data scientist, you can have a very bright future. So now let's move forward and understand how to become a data scientist and what courses are available out there for being a data scientist. So one of the most popular courses to become a data scientist that is available out there is Data Science and Business Analytics, offered by Great Lake Institute of Management in collaboration with the Jacobs School of Business. And the second option is Immersicus, which is endorsed and collaborated with KPMG. The third option is Talent Sprint in association with the Indian Institute of Science. The fourth option is there are lots of one-year courses that are provided by Simplilearn and Purdue University. Another top courses for being a data scientist are provided by IIM Calcutta. Here they provide 1 year of online training along with that 4 days of campus training in university. Now we'll talk about the sixth option. As we all know, because we have been hit by this pandemic and there are not lots of opportunity to go out there in the college, there are courses for being a data scientist that are available online. So you can find some amazing courses for being a data scientist on Coursera, edX and Udemy. Even Harvard and MIT also provide certification course in data science. Now we have understood what are the options from where we can get the knowledge and get educated for being a data scientist. I'm sure you must be very curious to know what are going to be the expenses, how much you will have to pay for these courses. The course to become a data scientist actually take around 1 year of time, and the expenses that might occur for being a data scientist varies from 2.25 lakh to 2.85 lakh per annum. डेटा साइंटिस्ट ये जो एक बैकग्राउंड है, इसमें कौन कौन सी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज लोगों के लिए हो सकती है?
डेटा साइंस एक इतना बड़ा शब्द हो गया है अभी, और सब लोग बोलते हैं कि वाह डेटा साइंस कैसे करें, कैसे इसमें एंट्री करें, राइट? देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. डेटा साइंटिस्ट जो है वो बहुत बहुत प्योर होता है, और बहुत साल एक बार स्टडी करके फिर काम करके फिर आप बोल सकते हैं कि मैं डेटा साइंटिस्ट हूँ. शुरू होता है शायद स्टैटिस्टिशियन से, शायद डेटा एनालिस्ट से, शायद मशीन लर्निंग इंजीनियर बन गए. वो भी बहुत बड़ा है मशीन लर्निंग इंजीनियर. इट्स नॉट दैट इट्स एनी लेस देन डेटा साइंस. पर ये जो फील्ड है ना, दिस इज अ मर्जर ऑफ एनालिटिक्स, ब्रेन, मैथ्स एंड कंप्यूटर साइंस, right? So you can choose to come at it from a mathematical angle, you can choose to come at it from a computer science angle, and you can choose to come from it from an analytical angle. So data scientist doesn't need to be the only job that you go after, but in the field of data science, there's a lot of opportunity. I mean, today, even the way the food gets delivered to you, Swiggy या Zomato में, इतने data scientists हैं. Uber में जब, like the way we travel is all data science. Everything we do today, every companies you won't even believe, जैसे Sony Pictures, तो पिक्चर्स भी क्या हिट होंगी क्या हिट नहीं होंगी, वो उसमें भी डेटा साइंटिस्ट हैं. क्या म्यूजिक हिट होगा क्या नहीं होगा, उसमें भी डेटा साइंस है.
Alright, so basically डेटा साइंटिस्ट और डेटा साइंस एक ऐसी चीज है जो शायद बहुत सारे लोगों को अभी तक भी ना पता हो. तो ऐसे कौन कौन से स्पेसिफिक रोल्स है जो कि डेटा साइंस में या डेटा साइंटिस्ट होने पर एक इंसान कर सकता है? What are those?
मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि ये डेटा साइंस जो है ना, ये एक जैसे स्टैक है. तो आप बेसिक भी कर सकते हो, डेटा सॉर्टिंग, डेटा क्लीनिंग, फिर भी आप डेटा साइंस के फील्ड में आ सकते हो. तो ये नहीं है कि आपको 10 साल पढ़ना पड़े, 10 साल काम करना पड़े. अभी जो है ये ऑनलाइन यूनिवर्सिटीज से, ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज से आप एंट्री कर सकते हो जहाँ भी आपको करना है. आपको फिल्म्स में जाना है, आपको मेडिकल में जाना है, आपको जिस चीज़ में भी जाना है आप जा सकते हो एक डेटा साइंटिस्ट बन के. पर पहले जो होता था ना, हमारी लर्निंग बहुत स्ट्रक्चर्ड होती थी कि अगर आपने साइंस किया, मैथ्स किया, फिर आप ये कर सकते हो. कंपनियां ऐसे करती हैं इंडिया में कि अगर आपने ये बैकग्राउंड नहीं है नहीं कर सकते. पर अगर आपने एक ऑनलाइन कोर्स किया है डेटा साइंस का, डेटा क्लीनिंग का, डेटा एनालिटिक्स का, देयर बहुत फ्रीलांस जॉब्स भी मिल जाते हैं. एक ओम डेना है. ओम डेना एक कंपनी है जो क्राउडसोर्स करती है वॉलंटियर्स को डेटा साइंस के चैलेंजेस लेने के लिए. तो एक चैलेंज था जो आई थिंक वुमेन्स वेब के व्यूअर्स बहुत दिलचस्पी होगी उनको, कि डेटा ऑफ डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस को एनालाइज करने के लिए, राइट? क्योंकि वो बहुत अंडर रिपोर्टेड चीज़ है डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस. और तो कैसे टैकल किया जाए? अगर कोई डेटा ही नहीं है तो कैसे टैकल किया जाए? तो सेफ सिटी एक ऐप है जहां आप डाल सकते हो आपके रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट एंड डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस. और ओमडेना ने आके उस डेटा को लेके काम किया है कि एक्चुअली सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट और डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस कैसे होता है, व्हाट आर द पैरामीटर्स दैट कैन लीड टू इट, कौन सी चीजें, like what are the community situations in the community that allow for this to happen, what are the situations in the economy that lead for this to happen. So आप कहीं भी स्टार्ट कर लो और वॉलंटियर कर दो कहीं, ताकि आपका पोर्टफोलियो बढ़ता जाए. आई थिंक कि इट्स वो बोरिंग वे जो था ना, इतना पढ़ना फिर ये करना, that's always there. पर अगर आप थोड़े से बड़े हो गए हो और आप सोच रहे हो कि या कैसे इतना पैसे कैसे जमा करके कैसे करेंगे, there's a lot of other ways to get things done. You just have to be flexible, and you need to publish a lot online on your LinkedIn page, things like that, so people know you exist. Nahi to how will we find you?
Okay, so basically अभी आपने इन सब में बताया there is a boring part also जहाँ पे you have to study and do all of those things, and it also exists at this time also. So basically what are the qualification, educational qualification या पढ़ाई की जरूरत होती है for a person to become a data scientist?
अभी कुछ कोर्सेज हैं जो डायरेक्टली आप डेटा साइंस कर सकते हो, पर आई थिंक इंडियन इकोसिस्टम में अभी भी आपको आईटी या सॉफ्टवेयर करना पड़ेगा, पाइथन लर्न करना पड़ेगा, या स्टैटिस्टिक्स में जा सकते हो. तो ये नहीं है कि यू हैव टू गो एट इट फ्रॉम अ कंप्यूटर साइंस एंगल. लाइक आई सेड, यू कैन डू एनालिटिक्स.
So like many other fields, ये भी एक ऐसा फील्ड है जहाँ पे when women they are not like इतना ज़्यादा उनका representation नहीं है. So what you have to say about that, and what do you think कि आगे future में scope क्या है girls के लिए and for women out there? Yeah.
मेरी टीम में से एक डेटा एनालिस्ट है, ये जैसा नहीं दिखता. वो एक हुडी पहनता है, हाँ, पूरी दाढ़ी बनाता है और बैठता है, बाल बिल्कुल ऐसे ऐसे जैसे कभी किसी ने कंघी नहीं करी उसको. सब लोग बोलते हैं हाँ ये डेटा का बंदा है.
Okay.
जो भी मैं बोलती हूँ ना, वो सुनते ही नहीं है, वो उसका सुनते हैं. आई थिंक कि ये सोसाइटी के प्रीकंसेप्शंस हैं कि अगर कोई लड़की आए, then I'm not going to look at her unless she looks like a engineer or she looks like a data scientist. So pehle, and even women do that. It's not just men that are doing it. It's not just men, and it's not anyone's fault. It's the preconceived ideas. हम क्या सोचते हैं? Look at the heroes of the world, right? In software or in data science, they're all men that look a certain way.
Yes, absolutely.
So एक चीज है कि one is the perceptions of what a data scientist looks like. I think there's a supermodel, Code with Clossie. She she's a supermodel and she codes, but if you see her, people will be like, इसका code अच्छा नहीं होगा यार, because she's too good looking. Like how can she code? Yeah, तो ये थोड़े से preconceived ideas hai, and I think this comes from what I was saying na, like 20 years ago हमको इतना options नहीं होता था, और ये data science जो है, it's that engineer's mindset, no one, very few people go into arts or something else and then end up being a data scientist. I'm not saying it's not possible, but I'm saying कि वो unusual paths होते हैं अभी भी. तो I think firstly is कि one, we ourselves need to introspect कि हमारे अंदर क्या biases हैं. What does the data scientist look like?
Yes, absolutely. Even girls have to figure that out.
Figure that out, because the first thing I start doing is I start underselling the data science aspects and I start overselling my creative aspects, because that's what the clients like and they expect that of me. तो हम ऐसे फील्ड में चले जाते हैं जहाँ पे हमको बहुत पॉजिटिव एफर्मेशंस आ रहे हैं कि you're very good at speaking, you're very good at communication, presentation बहुत अच्छा करते हो, empathy है, ये सब हो सकता है, पर आप फिर भी बाइक चला सकते हो. You can still do whatever guys do. Like I think it's time for women to help each other.
Yes, absolutely, very important.
In business, we are very good at helping each other emotionally. So even networking, unless we have enough women data scientists, थोड़ा सा अजीब हो जाता है networking करके आगे बढ़ना. So in certain industries, there are enough women कि you can network and move ahead, and women lifting women. But I think there's still कोई industries में जिसमें underrepresentation है और आगे बढ़ना काफी tricky हो जाता है. And I just feel that the more of you that join me in data science, the better it will be for all of us, because I really believe that today's woman knows that together we can move forward. We are not in competition with each other.
Yes.
Competition is boring. Competition is for stupid people. Collaboration is for the smart, and collaboration is the future. It's the skill that's most needed in this century. Forget decade, yeah, anything. A skill like data science, you can work remotely as part of a team. You can work your own hours. You can work American hours, UK hours, any hours, and also be paid phenomenally well. तो वो जो financial independence ना, जो I feel like we need to get as a gender. So only if we move towards the higher paying jobs as a whole can we
Yes.
get financial independence, right? And
Okay.
the more women that get financial independence, the more other women will be like, मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. And go for those high paying jobs. Why? Like, don't hold yourself back. Don't think I can't do it. Go for it, yeah.